Actually, the Boston Seafood is a really, really famous show for seafood. And other people from all around the world, they go to join this seafood show. We also look at so many customers from Spain, from Africa, some from China, and all around the world, they both join this show. Yes.
That's amazing. How are you enjoying this show?
Actually, it's great, and especially my customers, this is the first time we do the ready cooked show in the Boston Seafood. And some American guy, and some Chinese people, and some people, they like our food. They like it a lot. That's great.
This is a shrimp cake.
Okay.
How do you like it?
It's really good.
How do you think the Chinese food? You
I
eat
like
often?
Chinese. I've studied 1 year in China, so
Oh, nice.
yeah, I like Chinese food.
What do you think about the ready meals?
I think it's a very comfortable option. It saves times for all of us, so definitely it's fantastic.
Some supermarkets they basically like prepare food for people that work. They don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen. They don't want to just basically do like ready to open
To
and
go,
warm
yeah.
it up. It's good.
They're very comfortable and they're very good. I like the way they're prepared, how they come in the package.
Yeah, I like it. It's very tasty.
March 12-14, 2023 Boston Seafood Show. Jack and King's booth number 1321.